Today we're going to check out a popular style by Tony of Beverly, a short little wedge style layered bob called Phoebe. I have it here in coconut cream. We're also going to check it out in rooted champagne. Lots of details on this cute little style coming up. Phoebe is a short little modern layered cut bob. It features a nice face framing fringe, a little bit of beveling in the back, and an ample nape. You might be surprised to know that this wig here that I'm wearing is almost 7 years old. I purchased this one back in 2016, and I have worn the heck out of this style. Mostly in the beginning when I got it. It's been in the box for a really long time, and I've used styling paste on it. This is one of those wigs that I would grab and hit the trail, go out for a run, go out for a walk or a hike with my husband. Remember, you can find this style and the other Tony of Beverly styles at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link to this style. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing options. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Phoebe is one of my favorite Tony of Beverly styles because it's super easy to wear. It looks perfect every single time, and it has this beautiful face framing fringe. It's a great no makeup wig. And these front pieces are going to be about 6 inches from the lace front down over the sides. It's a bit textured, although I have used product in this one over the years. And the shape of it is out of the way. So the 6.5 inch crown area just kind of bevels at the back and tapers into a 1.75 inch nape. So it's well tailored. Salon fresh every time. Phoebe is really lightweight also, just about 2.5 ounces. It feels really lightweight and cool on the head. It has beautiful movement. This is made from the regular synthetic fiber. It is not a heat-friendly fiber. And I've just used some styling product and the heat from my hand to style this one. And it features a really nice deep lace front and open cap. Let's get up close on the lace front. But first I want to talk to you just a little about this color. In case you haven't seen it before, this is coconut cream. Coconut cream is a 50-50 blend of a nice medium warm beige blonde, and then it's going to be highlighted with some platinum. Overall, I feel like this is neutral leaning warm. So if you like colors like Creamy Blonde by Renee of Paris, if you like Sandy Blonde by Gabor, and if you like Envy's Light Blonde, I think you'll really enjoy this color. It is not a rooted color. So let's get up close then on that lace feature. There's that temple to temple lace front. And it's nicely knotted all the way around. It is a fine knotting process there. And just beautiful to bring these fringe pieces away from the front. You notice the highlight is taken right up to that lace front too, and that just really lightens and brightens around the face. Let's talk permatease. There's a lot of permatease on Phoebe. Beginning right behind that lace front, all throughout the crown. Just a little bit at the high temple and back, but none as you're tapering down through the back into the nape. So it gives a nice sculpted look, but it also helps keep it lifted on the top, sustainably lifted on the top. So let's unbox our rooted champagne. Now I took this out of the box, removed the tags, and inspected it, but I have not styled it. So we're going to do that here. I'll show you how I made it my own. So this is how it comes right out of the box, brand new. So this is the rooted champagne, and I feel like this is really neutral. I've seen this color on their heat-friendly fiber, and it's much warmer of an application. So it's a combination of some, what appears to me as a medium honey blonde with some platinum highlights with a medium brown root. So I feel like it's a nice neutral blonde with some nice dimension to it. Let's get it on. Okay, this is Phoebe right out of the box. No styling. And you know me, I like to build a little bit of lift and contour at the front because that helps take the root away from the face, which ultimately helps because this 6-inch piece tends to want to flop in the face unless you're trying it away. But I can tell you from experience that a little product and a little repetitive motion can easily train this away from the face. I would use some holding spray or some piece out cream. Beautiful. The permatease seems the same to me. Everything about this particular one reminds me of the one I purchased 7 years ago. So very consistent between the two styles that I have. Let's check out that lace front. Now that lace front does run back into the temple slightly. All of the seams are obscured. They bring the highlight right up to the root, and they knot every other hole or so, giving it a nice natural look right there at the hairline. And that's a fairly deep lace front as well. So perfect for the up and over and away from the face styling options. This can be such a chic style, and then you can just add a little bit of casualness to suit your personality. Let's look at these colors outside, and then we'll look at the inside of the cap and do some styling for the Phoebe. So this Phoebe is right out of the box, and I just start my usual maneuver of pointing the root away from the forehead, and that will take the fiber with it. And sometimes I need a little spray to keep it back there. But again, if you prefer that it lies straight over the forehead, you can sweep it over the eyebrow and create just about any look you want. Okay, so let's do some styling. We'll catch you next time right back here at Taz's Wig Closet.